What's up guys, welcome back to Healthy Recipe. Today I'm going to review the Boca burger for you guys. I'm going to make it my own way. I'm going to add a little bit of liquid smoke and we're going to kind of steam them in a pan, make it a little bit softer and more moist. They're usually a little bit dry when I had them in the past, but I guess they changed the recipe now. So we're going to give them a try and see how they come out. So let's get right to work. Alright, so this is what we're using for ingredients. I got here Sam's Choice Chipotle Mustard. This was from our local Sam's Club. I have 2 tablespoons of veg stock. This is red onions, sliced tomatoes, and I'm also using some jalapeno slices. I'm going to be using some liquid smoke to infuse the veg broth to actually make it a little bit smokier. Some shredded lettuce. This is romaine. Some organic ketchup. We got the Boca burgers. These are just the regular ones, I suppose. They're called All American Veggie Burgers, the original. And then we got 2 buns that we're going to be using to put them in. So that's basically it. First thing we're going to do, we're going to go over to our pan and start up our cooking material. Alright, so I'm going to drop our veg stock in here, and we're about 250 degrees Fahrenheit, or it's like medium towards medium low, and I'm gonna drop just a few drops of this liquid smoke. It's enough to give some flavor. And I want this to kind of steam to make these burgers nice and soft and moist. Alright, so we're going to put those there. Then we're going to go ahead and put a lid on it so it kind of steams and it cooks them nice and evenly. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and set up our buns. I'm going to put a little bit of this mustard on both the bottom and the top. Then I'm going to add a little bit of ketchup also to both sides. Alright, so I'm just going to spread this nicely. It's going to give a nice zing with the mustard and the chipotle, and a little bit of sweetness with the ketchup. It's going to distribute it throughout. I just found out today that chipotle peppers are actually jalapenos that have been dried and smoked. I totally did not know that. Pretty cool factoid. Alright, so we're gonna go ahead and spread it. I love like peanut butter and jelly. Just like that. So it's now the flavor is all through the entire bun. So I'm gonna take a little bit of our lettuce. Put it on the top side. Tomato. Little jalapeno. And onion. Same thing on the other side. We got a little mini salad here going on with our burger. Well, everything's pretty much a salad except the bread, because the burger's a veggie burger. So here we got a nice amount of veg added to a burger, make it a little bit better. And we're gonna go ahead and let them cook for a few minutes and come back, plate them, and give them a taste. Alright, so I'm gonna take the lid off of these, and as you guys can see, they look like they cooked all the way through. Really nice browning. I'm gonna go ahead and flip them and just give it a little bit more time for the rest of the liquid to evaporate, and then we're gonna go ahead and serve them and taste. Alright, so we're gonna go ahead and place our patties. And these actually look really great. It smells amazing. That liquid smoke is really, really aromatic. So there you have it, guys. There is the recipe for our Boca burger with some extra ingredients and a little bit of heat. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Remember to subscribe and share if you liked it, and I'll see you really soon on the next one. All right, guys, so here's the moment of truth. I'm gonna bite into this beautiful concoction. Let's see what it tastes like. It smells amazing. Wow. This is a really good veggie burger. I get the sweetness from the ketchup, that zing from the mustard. The burger is smoky. The texture is really nice. It's soft. I don't like the really textured burgers. Like I noticed that the Beyond Meat is a bit more textured now. I kind of like them like this, a little softer, and super delicious. Super flavorful. Liquid smoke comes right through. Amazing, amazing bite of a burger.